You've unboxed your Dyson WashG1 wet cleaner. Now let's set it up. First, place the WashG1 on the charging dock to ensure full battery before use. While it charges, select your language by tapping the mode button to scroll through the options. Hold the mode button to confirm your choice. Follow the screen prompts and add the WashG1 to the My Dyson app by scanning or entering the serial number found on the side of the box. Next, prepare the tanks. Press the red release catch to remove them, then the blue release catch to detach the clean water tank. Fill it to the max line and add 20 milliliters of Dyson WashG1 hard floor solution if desired. Secure the lid, reattach the tank, and slide it back into place. Remove the WashG1 from the dock and choose the hydration level. Level 1 for light debris, Level 2 for typical messes, or Level 3 for stubborn stains. Press the power button to begin cleaning. Allow 5 minutes for the rollers to hydrate in the first use. Watch the LCD screen for remaining runtime and use the mode button to adjust hydration levels or the max button for extra cleaning power. When finished, return the WashG1 back to the charging dock.